Quads will be quadding in some coochie shorts. I'm pretty sure I did that wrong. Bulgarian split squat is front rack. Hola mis amigas, we back with another video. If you're new here, I'm Asia G. If you're not, welcome back. Today we're gonna try to kill my legs. We're gonna try to kill them. What we're gonna do is a Obi Vincent workout. Y'all don't know who Obi Vincent is. He's like this UK hybrid bodybuilder, runner, Pilates, but he more so does bodybuilding and CrossFit. And I think now he's venturing like into cycling, running, and Pilates. That's what I'm trying to say. He posted this video last month about how to build like your legs. In this video, it looks like it's more like a quad dominant video. Even though I don't follow schedule nearly as much as I should, like to try to build muscle groups and stuff, I really would. Like, it's on my wish list to have like some popping ass quads. Like, that's just so sexy. Keep picturing the summertime in some little coochie shorts. Like, I'm not gonna wear no coochie shorts, but quads will be quadding in some coochie shorts in the summertime if I actually follow a quad building plan. Anyway, I'm getting off subject. So we gonna try it today, and I watched this video like twice, and it looks like I'm gonna die. It looks like I'm gonna die. I don't know why I am excited to go in there and try to demolish my quads. I think the challenge would be to not take as many like rests and try to get the whole workout done in an hour. I already started sipping some of my pre-workout. It's like the Ghost Cherry Limeade. Do not get this. If y'all get the Ghost pre-workout, the Bubblicious is the best kind. And I might go pick me up some Bubblicious pre-workout today, because I'm gonna drink this Cherry Limeade because I bought it. But the Bubblicious kind of the Ghost, it kind of remind me of, like, do you remember you was little and you got strep throat and they gave you the penicillin with the bubblegum flavor in it? That's what it remind me of. It's so good. Ooh, but before we go, look at that. I bought nail dehydrator, a nail primer, and then I put like the UV gel stuff on top of it. I'm gonna see if this lasts more than 3 days. This is technically, I did it this morning, so this starts it off. So I hope having a dehydrator and a nail primer on before I put on like the gel base, the gel coat with the top coat, makes this last like 2 weeks. So the first thing he actually does is gonna be like an elevated back squat. I've never done that before, especially like with heavy weight on the back. 3 sets, back squats, elevated. It's gonna be quad focus, you know, with your heels being elevated during the squat. It's quad focus. It's gonna be 15, 12, and 10. And we're gonna use this to make my elevated squats.
High heel elevated, while performing the exercise this way puts more emphasis on your quads.
That was easier than it looked. I don't know if that's good or bad. I don't know if that's good or bad. Let me check the workout. Oh, I fucked this up. Did I fuck this up? We're gonna flip this. I messed it up, y'all. I was supposed to start with calf raises and leg extensions, but I just came right into the squats because that's my normal routine and my mind was on autopilot. We're gonna do this out of order. We're gonna do all of it. It's gonna be out of order. Let's take a breather and let's do it again. We're gonna redo that 15. Because I was supposed to come down like 1, 2, 3, pop up. 1, 2, 3, pop up.
And once again, the tempo is a major part of this exercise.
I'm gonna drop about 10 pounds. And that was a 4-second tempo squat. Instead of 3, it's 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then pop back up. And you're supposed to keep more tension on your quads. So let's drop it 10 pounds. Drop about 20 pounds. I gotta learn the difference between eccentric and concentric. Hold on while I Google that. It's eccentric. It's gonna be slow on the eccentric, and that's when you're going down. So it's gonna be a 5-second eccentric squat, and then pop back up. And then the other opposite of eccentric is concentric, and that's when you're coming up. Okay, eccentric, decline, concentric, come up. Oh, she's strong. I got a read for understanding. That last set, I do it 3 times. Okay, I got 20 more squats. I'll see y'all on the next exercise. I probably should have got a smaller weight than what I got. I got a 25-pound plate. We're gonna do some Nordic. What did he call these things, child? I don't know what the hell that is, but I don't like that. They hurt my ankles. I'm pretty sure I did that wrong. Let's try it without no weight. It's gonna be a no. I'm pulling knees. Good thing I only had 1 set of those. Okay, y'all, we're gonna pray over this one because he want me to do this Bulgarian split squat. It's front rack. Front rack is like when you hold the barbell like in the front of you, like this kind of. And I've never been able to do that, but we're gonna try it.
Performing the exercise this way places a lot more emphasis on your quads and core and makes you work even harder, and that is exactly why I hate this exercise.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. We're gonna do it with kettlebells. Let me find some kettlebells that I can hold.
A nice and controlled tempo during the eccentric, and notice at the top I pause and squeeze my calves like it owes me money.
That hurt more than it looks like. I got 2 more sets of calf raises. Child.
If you have watched all my leg videos, this one exercise is a common denominator, and that's because the hill elevated goblet squat has been one of the best exercises in helping to grow my leg. The weighted prisoner wall sit. Yes, I know, it's a terrible name. Hips aligned with your knees to keep the tension on your quads, and just sit there till your legs can't hold up anymore.
There's a superset. Elevated goblet squats with a wall sit. A weighted wall squat that. I could have squat a weighted wall sit. I ain't did like a wall sit in a long time. Like my legs like. Okay, so I've been trying to do the leg extension 2 different times in between like those other workouts, and somebody's always on it. That's the only thing that I'm missing from his weighted part of the workout. So I'm gonna move on because I'm not gonna keep waiting around and do the Metcon, which I feel like that Metcon is short for metabolic conditioning. So it's gonna be 60 seconds on the bike, no hands, and then doing 20 jump lunges. I don't like jump lunges because my bunions on my feet don't like jump lunges, but we're gonna try. But if for any reason I feel like my bunion about to pop out of socket even more than it already is, we're gonna change those to some step back lunges. But let's do it and be done, okay? Because it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous, Obi. Obi, who came up with this? Will I buy your app? No. We need shorter workouts. Shorter workouts, Obi. I'm just kidding. I love you, Obi. Follow me.
"60 seconds, leg only on the bike. Make sure it's on the hardest resistance. 20 jump lunges for 5 rounds.
The leg extension machine will be open when I check one last final time, so I don't want to cheat myself. So we're going to finish this. I only got 52 leg extensions to do. It's going to be 3 sets of leg extensions, 10, 12, 10, 10, 10.
The next exercise will be leg extensions, one of my favorite machines in the gym that has truly helped me build my legs. The tempo varies each set, so pay attention to that.
I'm on my last set, which is 3 tens of a drop set, and you perform a drop set back to back to back, dropping the weight. So that's like 30 of these in a row. I could barely get 15 and 12 together. So I'm a beast, and we're gonna do the best that we can. But he did say the last drop set, you may not be able to get to 10 of them, but we're gonna push. This is the last thing. We already been here an hour and a half plus. We might as well go ahead and do the damn thing at the end.
Once again, at the top of the extension, make sure you squeeze your quads as hard as you can and try and maintain that contraction as you come all the way down.
And that's crazy because this last set was only at 40 pounds. Oh, that burned the crap out of my quads. The workout was long. It was long, but it was good. It was a really good workout. Couple of things. He gonna have you all over that damn gym doing them exercises. Nothing, barely anything is in the same spot in my gym. So I was running around trying to get the equipment and machines that I needed to do the workout. So that's the first thing. The second thing is, it was terrible, but in a good way. I felt everything I was supposed to feel, mostly like in my quads, in my calves, and then some in my glutes. The other thing is, I did the whole workout out of order, not just like when I first started with the squats. The Metcon was supposed to come last, but like I was saying, I couldn't get a leg extension machine because we have only 2 at this gym. One is broke, one everybody was using, and I finally got to it at the end. So I'm not sure how the workout would have progressed, or how much more sore my quads would have been, or how much more effective the workout would have been if I would have did it in the order that he set up. All of these exercises that he had me doing, I have definitely done them all before. I rarely ever do calf raises. Like, I do them from time to time, especially like when I think that I'm a runner. When I'm like, oh, I'm gonna do some runner stuff. Usually calf raises come in there, but like the squats I do all the time. Like I said, he did tempo squats like on the eccentric, like when you count down, like that kind of help burn, get you that burning feeling in your leg. Also, it gives you like mind to muscle because you're kind of focusing on it. So I do like that. I do need to probably start implementing more tempo stuff into the workout. The goblet squats I do like all the time. I usually superset those goblet squats, which is just like the elevated squats, when I do the leg extension machine. However, sets and like the drop sets and stuff that he had me doing within those workouts was definitely new, because I rarely ever do drop sets unless I'm following like an influencer workout or a workout program. I never really do drop sets, and baby, drop sets burn. When I did those leg extensions, I did 15 at 100, 12 at 100, then I did 10 at 70, no, I did 10 at 80, 10 at 70, and then the last 10 at 40. Baby, that 40 burned. That 40 burned more than all of the rest of the workouts, because it came after like 20 leg extensions at those other higher weights. Baby, drop sets gonna get you right. I really enjoyed the workout. It was just so long. I thought it was only gonna take me an hour. Baby, no ma'am, no sir. It was at least an hour and 45 minutes, and I don't feel like it's because I was fiddling around or because I was recording. It just really takes a while, especially if you're doing like the tempo that he has you doing with the drop sets and all of that stuff, and just getting the equipment and finding what you need. So, and then the Metcon, which I was saying, I really feel like it stands for metabolic conditioning. At the end, I surprised myself. I did those jump squats. I hate jump squats. Anytime I see jump lunges, I hate jump lunges. Anytime I see jumping lunges in the program, I don't do them, because like in the past, it hasn't felt like natural to my body. It feel odd. But today, I pushed through. I was kind of wobbly with it, but I didn't quit. If y'all gonna try this workout out, I will leave his video link down below, and I'm pretty sure, I only did it once, but I'm assuming that you will have to do this workout consistently with progressive overload, meaning either increasing the weight or increasing the reps as you move through like the video or whatever, like over time. If y'all don't watch Obi, check his channel out. He is, like I said, a hybrid CrossFitter bodybuilder. He moving into other stuff, and he do like really calm like vlogs, and he lives in the UK. He's pretty interesting. I like him, and I think you guys would like him too. That's all for today. And wait, I haven't forget that this year's word is action. I hope that y'all are still taking action. I'm still trying to take action and move forward. Like I was saying, this year I didn't really have like a bunch of goals, even though I end up finding some stuff that I really want to do, which was Spanish. I'm struggling there. I'm struggling, but I'm still doing a little bit day by day. So please keep taking action, even if you scale it back to the minimum that you can do, whether it's going to the gym, applying for a job, going to school, whatever it is, keeping your house clean, washing the dishes before you go to bed at night. Like, just keep doing like a little by a little. Don't give up. Don't wait on the motivation. Just keep doing a little by little. Just keep taking action. Just one thing a day. If all you can manage is one thing a day, that's all you can manage. I just wanted to like reiterate it because today is March the 3rd. Today is March the 3rd. And I don't want us to forget all of that energy that we had in January, to keep taking action and keep moving, because whatever it is that you want to do, you're gonna want to do it again. If you quit now, by the time June hit, you're gonna be like, damn, I wish I didn't quit. So don't quit. Just keep taking action, y'all. Even if you don't see no movement or anything, just keep taking action. With that being said, I will see you guys next Wednesday. Until then.